Once upon a time, in the golden age of automobiles, there existed a legendary vehicle known as the Phantom Motorcar. Its origins were shrouded in mystery, and few people had ever laid eyes on it. This is the captivating tale of the lost legend of the Phantom Motorcar, a story that has remained hidden from the world for decades. The Phantom Motorcar was said to possess extraordinary capabilities that surpassed all other vehicles of its time. According to rumors, it was built by a brilliant but reclusive engineer named Alexander Von Stürm. Legend had it that Von Stürm had poured his heart and soul into the design and construction of the Phantom, crafting it with groundbreaking technologies and unparalleled craftsmanship. Despite the rumors, the Phantom Motorcar remained an enigma, hidden away from prying eyes. However, whispers of its existence started circulating among a select few automobile enthusiasts who sought the truth behind the legend. One such enthusiast, a young and passionate automotive historian named Amelia, embarked on a relentless quest to unveil the. Amelia scoured libraries, archives, and even traveled to remote locations where she believed traces of the Phantom's existence might be found. Her dedication and perseverance eventually paid off when she stumbled upon an ancient diary belonging to a former employee of Alexander Von Stürm. The diary contained detailed accounts of the construction process, revealing the inspiring innovations Von Stürm had incorporated into the Phantom Motorcar. The vehicle boasted an advanced hybrid engine, far ahead of its time, which allowed for unprecedented speed and fuel efficiency. It was also equipped with an autonomous driving system, a concept unheard of in that era. As Amelia continued to delve deeper into the diary's secrets, she discovered that the Phantom Motorcar had been stolen just days before its grand unveiling. The thief, who remains unidentified to this day, vanished without a trace, leaving Von Stürm devastated and the world deprived of witnessing the marvel of his creation. But Amelia's journey did not end there. Driven by her determination to unearth the truth, she followed leads and pieced together the puzzle of the Phantom's disappearance. Her investigation eventually led her to a hidden underground lair where the stolen vehicle lay dormant, preserved for decades. Amelia's heart raced with excitement as she gazed upon the Phantom Motorcar, now covered in dust but still radiating an aura of elegance and innovation. With the help of a team of experts, she meticulously restored the vehicle to its former glory, bringing the lost legend back to life. The day finally arrived when the Phantom Motorcar would be unveiled to the world, exactly as Von Stürm had intended all those years ago. People from far and wide gathered to witness this extraordinary moment, and the atmosphere crackled with anticipation. As the curtains fell, revealing the resplendent Phantom, a collective gasp filled the air. The beauty and technological prowess of the vehicle left everyone in awe. The lost legend had been resurrected, and its story would now be etched into the annals of automotive history forever. Amelia's journey to discover the truth behind the Phantom Motorcar had captivated the world, shedding light on a forgotten masterpiece. Through her dedication, the extraordinary tale of Alexander Von Stürm's creation would inspire generations to come, reminding them that legends can be lost but never truly forgotten. And so, the legend of the Phantom Motorcar lives on, a testament to human ingenuity and the enduring fascination with the mysteries of the automotive world.